In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see host reviews on Airbnb. To get started, open the Airbnb app on your phone or go to the Airbnb website in your browser, then sign in to your account if needed. Once you're in, use the search feature to find the listing you're interested in. This could be a home, apartment, or room you're considering for an upcoming trip. After you find it, open the listing so you can view the full details. Now take a moment to scroll through the listing page. Airbnb listings include a lot of useful information, but for this task, you'll want to move down to the reviews section. This is where guests share their experiences after staying at the property. Reading these reviews can give you a helpful first impression, not only of the space itself, but also of how the host manages the stay. As you go through the guest reviews, pay attention to comments about things like communication, check-in, cleanliness, accuracy of the listing, and the overall experience. These details can help you understand whether the host is responsive, reliable, and easy to work with. Even if the reviews focus on the property, they often include useful mentions of the host's behavior and hospitality. Next, look for the host's profile photo or name on the listing page, then tap or click on it. This will open the host's profile. On the profile page, look for any reviews and ratings connected to the host, if they are available. Depending on the listing and Airbnb's layout, this information may appear in slightly different places, so just scan the page carefully. When you find the host's reviews, don't rely on just one comment. Take some time to browse several reviews so you can get a more balanced understanding of what previous guests have experienced. Looking at multiple reviews helps you spot patterns, which is especially useful when evaluating things like communication style, cleanliness standards, accuracy, and overall hospitality. Finally, use everything you've learned to decide whether the listing feels like a good fit for your stay. Reviews can be one of the most helpful parts of the booking process because they come from real guests who have already stayed there. By checking both the listing reviews and the host's profile, you can make a more informed decision and feel more confident